Hey ladies, and welcome back to my channel. If you've ever felt like it's impossible to stick to your nutrition plan because your whole family eats differently from you or the whole house is full of temptation, this video is for you. Now, let's be real for a second. I live in a house with 4 different individuals and we're all on different diets. So that's 2 to 3 different ways of eating, totally different from mine. It's not always easy, but I have learned how to keep my nutrition plan at the forefront of my mind and to keep my health and fitness goals non-negotiable no matter what's going on around me. In today's video, I'm showing you how I do my 2-week grocery haul and meal prep while living in a full house and still stay on track with my goals. Because here's the hard truth. Your health and fitness goals must become non-negotiable if you want to have lasting results. And sometimes that means being misunderstood by the people you love. But that's okay, because there's only one you. And if you don't protect your health, no one else will. So if you've ever felt like it's impossible to stick with your plan because your family eats differently than you, or your whole house is full of temptation, this video is for you. Let's jump right in and I'll show you exactly how I make it work. Okay, so first up we have my dairy staples that will last me for 2 weeks. I typically drink 1 to 2 cups of milk a day, so these 3.5 gallons will last me a little bit over 2 weeks because this is something I absolutely cannot go without. My protein yogurt is something else I absolutely positively cannot go without. And when it comes to the eggs, sometimes I don't feel like cooking. I'm lazy, so hey. But knowing your staples are key to successfully transitioning and maintaining a healthy, fit lifestyle. Now, during the first week of my grocery haul, I am only eating fresh veggies, which is going to consist of salad first and foremost because it is easy to prep the day of grocery haul, store, and then throw together whenever I feel like it. And then I just throw in some cabbage, asparagus, squash, zucchini. Things like this are very easy to cook, and what you want is healthy, quick and easy in order to just maintain a healthy, fit lifestyle. That's going to always be key, and that your friend is healthy, quick, and easy. Going into the second week of my grocery haul and meal prep, we are keeping with the healthy, quick theme. And these steamable veggies are perfect for me. Pop them in the microwave for 5 minutes, pan to your protein 5 minutes, and you're eating. Healthy eating couldn't get any simpler. As for my pantry items, this is pretty much it. I keep these on rotate. My hot taco seasoning, my 0-carb tortillas, and if you've been following me for a while, you know what the walnuts and dark chocolate are for. And then I have these 0-carb tortillas in 2 different sizes, and you'll see why. But these 2 are going to last me for the next 2 weeks. And then I also have some olives here, which will, of course, go on top of my salad. And then, honestly, I actually enjoy these with my salmon sometimes. So, yeah, that's it there. I pretty much keep it simple, stupid. I pretty much eat the same foods over and over again. I just mix and match the ingredients in different recipes, and that's it. Last but most importantly are my protein sources, okay? I'm always gonna have some 93.7 ground beef in my fridge or freezer. It is the leanest, and this is 3 pounds. Next, over here, I have this large family pack of chicken breast. But trust and believe, I am the only one that will be eating all of this chicken. It is lean, and I buy it in this pack because, again, this is a 2 week grocery haul, and chicken is so versatile. Okay, you can make so many things: chicken salad, you can just have chicken tenders, you can make buffalo tenders. I mean, just yeah. And then we have my salmon. I don't even know what you call this. Steak slab. Oh, it's a salmon slab. That's what it is. Okay. So next up, we have my center cut sirloin chops. I buy these because the sirloin chops have the least amount of fat on those, and so I try to trim off what I can see and leave the rest, honey. It's all good. The rest can go to these cheeks. So this is everything that I will eat in the next 2 weeks. More than likely, this is going to last me 3 weeks, to be honest. But this is how I will healthily fuel my body to maintain my health, grow, and maintain muscle mass. Investing a day out of your week to meal prep saves so much time during the week. Whether I am throwing a salad together or cooking a protein, I am normally eating within 5 to 10 minutes, okay? And that's what it's all about, is having readily available foods that are in alignment with your required caloric and macro intake to reach your health and fitness goals or for maintenance. What happens when you are not prepared is that you typically grab whatever is available, and more than likely, that is some kind of fast food that will quickly throw you off of your health and fitness journey and just ruin your endeavors. So understand that you are totally worth your time. So take the time to invest in meal prepping so that you are healthy. You look the way you want to look, feel the way you want to feel. You can move the way you want, and just enjoy life in a way that you want to enjoy it on your terms. You must ain't seen Jacob. I know he's skinny now. He's skinny now. But he used to be fat, so he still got them taste buds. As you can see, I am doing this in a house full of chaos and sheer pandemonium, okay? There are 9, 10 children here and 5 adults. However, I just had to zone out and focus in on what's important. Me. Yes, family is important too. But if I don't take care of me, I won't be here to enjoy family. And I do not want to neglect my health and have my health deteriorate and then cause my family, my children, the people I love, have to sacrifice time out of their life to take care of me all because I didn't take care of me. And that is truly selfish. Now, if you put some protein powder in there, you can make protein waffles. Yes. Oh. I'm not doing nothing. That's you. You being mean. She's been an ass. She's been an ass. 0. No, say when somebody asks you. And some people be acting bad at school all the time. And then what happened? And then what happened? Then they be getting it all red, and then they have to call their parents. And then what you be doing? You be good? Yeah. Oh. I'm a student. Oh. There's a bathroom right here, baby. Mom, can you put some bacon bits? Right around this corner. Thank you. Make sure you wash your hands, Shanice. Mind my business. When you get done. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 chicken breasts in this pack. And look at how thick they are. This is why I buy these, because they are so thick and they are very versatile. And I'm going to do so much with these within the next 2 to 3 weeks. So what I'm going to do is firstly remove all of the fat that I can from the chicken, and then I'm going to cut them in 2 different ways, okay? So I'm going to start by cutting them long ways, as you can see here. And this is going to be for when I want to pan sear the chicken breast, okay? And then you'll see me cut them into tenders, all right? Again, because I'm going to do so much with this, I can make buffalo chicken tenders. I can actually make fried chicken tenders in the air fryer using no oil, okay? And then again, I can cut them into bite-sized pieces and go ahead and air fry them for like 5 minutes as well for salad or popcorn chicken, okay? So when I put them in the air fryer, they take no more than 5 to 10 minutes max to get ready, okay? So that's pretty quick, and I am all about healthy and quick. That is a win-win. Knowing and understanding your healthy, quick options and buying and only stocking those are key to sustaining your healthy, fit lifestyle.
But it's been raining. It's supposed to keep raining the rest of the day. So I don't know what you want to do. You got some stuff to make some daiquiris? Look. No, we have to go by the margarita. I'm talking about the pizza. I think it's gonna be down there. Let me see how much down here. For pizza, you know, like the big dinner box.
Try to do this one a little bit better.
This one we be right here.
Okay, now this is my protein that I'll eat today, and then the rest of it has been prepped for the next 2 to 3 weeks. This is super simple and easy. The ground beef is already in their separated packages. I'll just cut, each pound when I get ready to use it. And I really don't need to break down the pork chops because there are only 2 in the pack. Another time saver hack that you can do is while you're cutting and prepping your meat for the week or the next 2 weeks, and separating them and putting them in Ziploc bags and freezing them, you can actually go ahead and season your protein before you freeze them. And that way, that's a step you can skip when you're actually getting ready to prepare it. So if you have seasoned the meat before you have frozen it, then once you unthaw it, you can just go ahead and cook it the way you want and skip having to season it at that time. But this here meat right here is what I'm actually eating today. So I'm going ahead and prepping it up, and this is the exact protein that I will be eating on for the rest of the day. So this will be my lunch and my dinner. This is my salad that I'm about to eat now for lunch. And these are the chicken tenders that I will eat for dinner later on with a little bit of sugar-free barbecue sauce maybe, or probably simply atop another salad. Now, if you'd like to collaborate with me on creating your personalized custom nutrition and fitness plan, check out the details in the description below. I wish you well on your health and fitness journey. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you ladies next time.